I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding funds to your PayPal balance can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the process. Here is a straightforward guide to help you out. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Start by accessing your PayPal account through the website or app. Make sure you enter your correct email and password to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to Wallets. Once logged in, find the Wallet option on the main menu. This is where you can manage your balance and linked accounts. Step 3. Select Add Funds. In the Wallet section, look for the Add Funds button. Click on it to initiate the process of adding money to your PayPal balance. Step 4. Choose your funding source. You'll be prompted to select a bank account or card linked to your PayPal. Ensure that the account you choose has sufficient funds. Step 5. Enter the amount and confirm. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. If you accidentally enter a wrong amount, you might have to start over, so be careful. I hope this helps you easily add funds to your PayPal balance. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.